Hey, good morning. We're back for another mortgage tip. I'm John Tice, and I'm here with Bill Stauffer with ERA Home Loans. And today is a little more educational from the standpoint of how can you predict where interest rates are going to go? Now, no one can tell you long-term anything. But if you woke up this morning and you watched the news, like I just did, stock market had a good day yesterday. Does that actually affect me and my buying power, or what can I say? We know everybody's looking for the bottom of the market. They want to know that this is the best rate, this is the best deal. So what do you watch for in the morning, or what do you get out of the news in the morning when you watch it, you saw the stock market rallied? What do you look for, and what's that predict for you?
That's a great question. I just tell buyers to watch the 11 o'clock news. If the commentator states that it was a good day on Wall Street and the stock market is up, look for mortgage rates to be slightly higher the next day.
So if you're in the middle of a deal right now and you're floating your rate waiting for that best market, and you saw like yesterday, the stock market rallied, stocks went up, probably a good time to call you and lock that rate down.
Or wait. Wait till the stock market falls and then lock. I wouldn't necessarily panic and lock right then and there, because the market's going to come back.
Now, you have a program that would help me hedge my bet so I don't have to panic at the first move. What do you call that?
Well, we call that rate protection. We'll add a little bit to your rate, and we'll cap it so that you're not subject to a spike in rates.
So you're giving me a guaranteed maximum rate?
Guaranteed worst case scenario, but no floor.
Okay.
So you can watch the market and take advantage of a day when the rates are better and lock on that day.
Okay, but I can lock one time.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. So you can lock one time. You can actually float that rate down, so you've got a maximum. So along the way, you might take advantage of a better rate than the day you applied, but it'll never get worse than what the maximum is. So we're giving you a guaranteed rate.
Right.
So you can shop, you can find it, and that's good for how long?
Generally 90-day increments.
So 90-day window to shop and not look over your shoulder every day about the rates. Worst case, I'm at 4.38, and if it's at 4.1 and I found a house, I'm in my deal, and it looks like we're going to close in that 90-day window, I can call, we can lock it in, and like I said, not lose any sleep, not worrying about your rates.
That's right.
Cool. So there you go, rate protection, how to watch the rates, what the news means to you, especially if you're in the deal. But if you're thinking and you're watching and wondering, are we actually going to get down to 3.5? Well, here's a tip. Watch the stock market, see what goes on. If it's going down the tubes, you might see your 3.5. Right now, the news is pretty solid, so this might be your best market yet. Thanks a lot. I'm John Tice, Realty Chef, and I hope you're enjoying our little tips. Bill, thanks.